Assalamu alaikum students. Introduction to trigonometry and exercise 7.5 we were solving. In the last lesson I have explained you about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Further we have solved the question number 1. So continuing the exercise 7.5, the smart syllabus, that is ALP question number 3. Its statement is a 20 feet long ladder is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. Find the acute angle, that is angle of elevation, the ladder makes with the ground. So knowing the statement, a 20 feet long ladder is leaning against a wall. If it is a wall, then a 20 feet long ladder is leaning against the wall. It means the ladder is 20 feet long. 20 feet long, which is leaning against a wall, and the wall you can see in the diagram. Next is the bottom of the ladder. The bottom, a ladder has two ends, top and bottom. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. That is, the distance of the bottom of the ladder to the wall is 5 feet. This is 5 feet. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet away from the wall. Find the acute angle, that is the angle of elevation. We have to find this angle of elevation the ladder makes with the ground. See the statement again. A 20 feet long ladder, you can see the statement. A 20 feet long ladder is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. Find the acute angle, that is angle of elevation the ladder makes with the ground. So writing its solution, if I name this triangle A, B and C, in the solution let AC is equal to 20 feet be the length of the ladder, and AB equal 5 feet is distance of bottom of the ladder to the wall. And BC is equal to wall. Then acute angle, let ladder makes an angle theta with the ground, or you may write with horizontal. Now see that AC is the ladder, AB is the distance of the ladder from bottom of the ladder to the ground, and BC is the wall. You may observe a right angle triangle ABC here. So in this right angle triangle, we know in front of 90 degree the side AC is hypotenuse, and with respect to this angle theta, this will be perpendicular and it will be the base. So two sides which are participating in that diagrams having values, we want to find the angle theta. So the sides which are having values is AB and AC. AB equal 5 feet and AC equal 20 feet. Using, we know that cos theta, because we know that cos theta is equal base over hypotenuse. So this side is base, this side is hypotenuse. It is equal to base over hypotenuse. Further we can write base is 5 and hypotenuse is 20. We want to find the acute angle theta. Now dividing 5 by 20, we will get the answer. 5 divided 20 will be equal to 0.25. Cos theta equal to 0.25, but we want to find this angle theta, so this cos will be the cos inverse on the other side. Theta is equal to cos inverse 0.25. In the last lesson, the first question, I have explained you how to find cos inverse. On your calculator, press the button of shift, press the button of cos. You may see cos inverse will appear on the screen of the calculator. Now cos inverse 0.25 is equal to 75.5225, and it is also written as 75.5, rounding this off. It is in the degree form. If we want to convert this into minutes and second, then 75 is a whole number, it will remain as degree, plus 0.5 multiplied by 60, you will get the answer 30. So 75 degree and 30 minutes is the angle of elevation that the ladder makes with the horizontal, that is ground. Now the next question in your ALP, the smart syllabus, is that question number 4. The statement is the base of a rectangle is 25 feet and the height of rectangle is 13 feet. Find the angle that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with the base. It means, reading the statement, the base of rectangle, it means we have a rectangle whose base is 25 and its height is 13 feet. Find the angle that the diagonal of rectangles make with the base. From the statement, it is clear that we have a rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral having 4 sides in which a pair of sides is parallel and equal. So we will let A, B, C and D in the solution. Let AB, CD is a rectangle. Let ABCD is a rectangle. Then we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram and the diagonal of rectangle is a line that touches the opposite vertex of the rectangle. Let's join it. So a rectangle has two diagonals, AC and BD. We will draw only one here. and this angle is formed. And knowing the statements, what are the values given? The base of rectangle is 25 feet and the height is 13. Its base is 25 feet and its height is 13 feet. Find the angle that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with it. We have to find this angle. Now it has become very simple statement as it was in question first and third. Let ABCD is a rectangle. AC is diagonal of rectangle and further AB equal 25 feet is base of rectangle and also BC is equal to 13 feet is height of rectangle. AB 25 is the base, BC is 13 feet is the height of the rectangle, and theta equal angle diagonal form with or makes with horizontal, or you may write base. Now seeing that this angle, it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC, the side opposite to the right angle is, you know, that hypotenuse. This with respect to this angle theta, this is perpendicular and it is base. So two values that are given, two sides that are given are perpendicular and base, and we know that perpendicular over base equal to tangent theta. Tangent theta equal perpendicular, that is BC, and base is AB. Putting the value in it, BC is 13 and AB is 25 feet. Putting this value, when we divide 13 by 25, the result will be tangent theta. This is equal to tangent theta when 13 divided by 25. I have a scientific calculator now. 13 divided by 25, it is equal to 0.52. So tangent theta equal 0.52. Now we want to find the angle of elevation, that is theta. Then this tangent will be tangent inverse on the other side. Tangent inverse 0.52. Now to find tangent inverse, on your calculator shift tangent, it is tangent inverse, and next write the value 0.52. It is equal to 27.4744. And on your calculator you can check a button, degree, minute, second. Press it. It means 27.47. The 27 is the whole term, it is degree, plus 0.4744, multiply it with 60 to get minutes. 0.4744 multiply by 60, it is 27 degree, and multiplying 0.4744 by 60, the result is 28.464. 28 is the minutes. Now to get the seconds, 27 degree 28 minutes plus 0.464, multiply it with 60 again, you will get the seconds. 0.464 into 60, it is 28 minute again. Round off that number. 27 degree 28 minute and 28 second also. So this is how we will solve the word problems and word problems related to the trigonometry. First, you need to know about the statement of the given question, understand the statement, make a diagram, and after given data, check that which two sides are given. Here it is given that perpendicular over base, so we have used tangent because perpendicular over base is tangent. In the question number 3, the two sides that were given, they were base and hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse equal cos of theta. And in the first part, where I have explained you about angle of elevation and angle of depression, the two sides that were given, they were again base and hypotenuse. So we will use the, it was perpendicular over base, and we have used the tangent theta there. Whatever trigonometry ratio to be used, it depends on the statement and the values that are given. Thank you so much, students. I hope you understand that, and inshallah we will finish this exercise in our next lesson. Thank you so much.